Alphabet, Google's parent company, has reportedly announced a massive investment plan into Anthropic. This move positions Google as the primary backer for a company building models that collide directly with Google's own Gemini AI. The reported terms include an initial $10 billion cash injection, plus another $30 billion contingent on Anthropic hitting specific performance milestones. Much of that capital operates as a boomerang. Anthropic uses the cash to buy compute power, looping it back into Google Cloud. To handle this growth, Google is committing 5 gigawatts of power capacity over 5 years, locking Anthropic in as an anchor tenant. By bankrolling its own competitor, Google transforms a rival into a captive mega-customer. This move allows Google Cloud to aggressively close its market share gap with Amazon and Microsoft, while ensuring that regardless of which model wins, Google captures the infrastructure spend. This commitment serves as a high-stakes proving ground for Google's custom AI chips, known as Tensor Processing Units, or TPUs. Anthropic's reliance on this hardware validates Google's custom silicon as a viable alternative to industry-standard graphics processing units. Yet, even as TPUs scale up, NVIDIA remains the central force in most training pipelines. Their chip supply and entrenched software ecosystem still dictate the pace of the broader hardware market. These enormous intertwined alliances are drawing intense scrutiny. Global regulators are increasingly probing cross-investments between cloud providers and AI startups, raising antitrust concerns and enforcing advanced chip export controls. The ceiling on AI advancement is dictated by physical hardware bottlenecks and complex international regulations, not just algorithmic design. We are watching the formation of 2 massive supply chain blocks. On one side, the Microsoft alliance, anchored by Azure, NVIDIA, and OpenAI. On the other, Google and Amazon pooling resources with custom chip makers and Anthropic. Anthropic maintains a multi-cloud strategy, bringing Amazon in as a secondary partner to ensure they never become entirely dependent on Google's infrastructure. While OpenAI spent years building broad consumer awareness with ChatGPT, Anthropic aimed squarely at business-to-business applications, focusing on software development and legal analysis. Corporate buyers prioritize integration and measurable return on investment over raw benchmark scores. They demand strictly enforced zero-trust governance, complex systems with built-in auditing and tight data access restrictions that fit existing corporate security protocols. This focus has yielded substantial results. Anthropic has reportedly captured roughly 32% of the enterprise market, pushing OpenAI down to around 25%. These are estimates based on Anthropic's reported $30 billion annualized run rate, though calculation methodology varies. The competition for AI dominance functions as a proxy war, where tech titans use AI models as tools to secure lucrative, long-term cloud computing monopolies. Anthropic's momentum is causing friction at OpenAI. Unverified, leaked internal memos reveal OpenAI leadership heavily criticizing Anthropic's revenue reporting methods, indicating mounting pressure to defend their early lead. OpenAI is now redirecting its engineering resources away from consumer-facing projects to focus on securing multi-year, 9-figure enterprise platform deals. Google feels the heat as well. Anthropic's technical edge in coding prompted co-founder Sergey Brin to personally lead an internal strike team, tasked with rapidly upgrading Google's proprietary models. Microsoft is defending its territory by securing a reported $250 billion cloud commitment from OpenAI. Meanwhile, they are focusing on owning the application layer by embedding Copilot directly into Microsoft 365. There is a wild card threatening all of these walled gardens. Open-source models and alternative ecosystems are maturing, giving businesses a way to avoid vendor lock-in entirely. Currently, the tech giants are desperately racing to lock massive corporations into proprietary ecosystems before open-source alternatives commoditize AI completely. The models powering this arms race were trained on millions of books, articles, and images, often without the creator's permission. That practice has triggered a massive wave of high-stakes copyright litigation. Anthropic recently agreed to a reported $1.5 billion settlement to avoid a trial over the ingestion of pirated books, highlighting the massive financial penalties involved in data sourcing. The New York Times is also suing OpenAI and Microsoft, targeting the scraping of factual data and the verbatim regurgitation of paywalled journalism. The core dispute centers on U.S. copyright law. Tech companies argue that training in AI is transformative and protected under fair use, while rights holders argue it is automated, industrial-scale theft. Despite massive cash settlements, there is no definitive ruling from the highest courts on whether training AI on public data is lawful. Until that precedent is set, the billions of dollars propping up the generative AI boom rest on legally fragile ground. We are moving past chatbots that wait for a text prompt. The next shift is Agentic AI, autonomous systems capable of breaking down complex goals and executing multi-step software workflows on their own. These autonomous capabilities are bleeding into the physical world through robotics and digital manufacturing. In laboratories, deep learning models are simulating molecular structures to accelerate pharmaceutical discovery. For businesses, the value of these agents is the ability to securely connect to siloed internal data and generate a measurable return on investment. Victory in the AI race has shifted towards the entities that control the physical hardware, the cloud infrastructure, and the daily corporate workflows that generate real revenue.